Welcome! Today we're showing you how to use YouTube on Rogers Streaming. Let's go! You can search for and find YouTube videos directly in the app or by searching for specific videos using voice search. To search for videos directly in the app, simply scroll down and open YouTube from the app's Quick Links menu or open by using a voice command. Just press and hold the mic button on your voice remote and say YouTube. The YouTube app will open instantly. You can also use voice search to find your favorite type of videos on YouTube. Just be sure to include on YouTube in your description. For example, to search cat videos on YouTube, just press and hold the mic button and say cat videos on YouTube. For a more personalized experience, you can sign into YouTube and subscribe to your favorite channels. Get recommendations, create customized playlists, and much more. To activate your YouTube account on Rogers Streaming, select Sign In. You will see an activation code appear on your screen. Next, open a web browser and go to youtube.com/activate. Once you're there, sign in with your account info and enter the activation code. That's it. Now you can start streaming YouTube videos on Rogers Streaming.